We are here today at 24 West Parade as part of our continued efforts to rid the streets of counterfeit goods. On close inspection of this store, we discovered a large, quantity of Crocs, Nike, Puma, Tommy Hilfiger, in all shape and sizes. And a rough estimate put this store to be around $200 million worth of goods. There's a 200 million, 200, yeah, 200 million Jamaican dollars. There's a warehouse also inside the store that has a massive amount of counterfeit goods in the premises. So when you go up the step behind me, there's a on top of this building, there's a warehouse space that has a large amount of counterfeit goods. I mean, on entering these premises here, we discovered it. So most of these merchants, they have the storefront and then they have the warehouse upstairs. One person taken into custody and he will be arrested for breaches of the Trademark Act. I would just want to warn those who want to get involved in the selling of counterfeit goods that it is a bad thing. One, it is not good for the country. It has public health concern. It fuels organized crime. And just to say that, we have laws in place, and once we get a report, then we will continue to enact the laws of this country. So I would suggest that you take your money and invest it into legitimate means.